Today I want to teach you a little game that I like to call Who Won by How Much. Now, we've been using number line to add integers, and some of you know the rules, and a lot of you are having great success with that. Some of you are struggling, but also the number line doesn't always work for the bigger numbers because you don't always have a big enough number line. So I'm going to teach you this little trick, little game that will help you think through it and works every single time. So we're going to pretend that our positives and negatives are playing a little game and they're keeping score. And so if we have negative 16 plus 5, well, the negatives have 16 points and the positives have 5 points. Who won? The positives or the negatives? In this case, the negatives won. By how much? Well, 16 minus 5 is 11. They won by 11 points. And that's your answer. Let's do it again so you can get the hang of it here. What if we had 25 plus negative 4? Let's see. The positives have 25 points and the negatives have 4 points. Who won? Obviously, the positives won. By how much? By 21 points. Okay, because 25 minus 4 is 21. Now, if it's a positive, we don't write the positive in there, but I'm just kind of using that to show you who won here. Let's do another one. Let's do, we can use some real big numbers that would be off of your number line, such as negative 225. If we add that to, I'm still going to keep it kind of simple here, and we add that to 20. I don't really need my parentheses there. Well, let's go back to our game. The negatives have 225 points. The positives have 20 points. Who won? Obviously the negatives won by a lot. How much did they win by? You still may have to do a little bit of math here if you're not good at the mental math, okay? And you'll see that they won by 205 points. And there's your answer. Now this still works with numbers that are the same sign, okay? So if we had negative 17 plus negative 7, okay, we can still play. We can say, all right, the negatives got 17 the first round. They got 7 the second round. And the poor positives had 0 everywhere. So we tally it up at the end of the game, right? And we see who won. Obviously, the negatives won by a landslide, 24 points. Okay, we'll do one more example because that would also work with the positives. If we had them playing the game and it was, you guys already know how to do this, but 12 plus 13. Okay, well, in both rounds, positives got 12, negatives got 0. Next round, positives got 13, negatives got 0. Add them up at the end of the game. And clearly the positives won by 25 points. So try using this today. We're going to go back and do some examples from the book in your assignment, and I want you to use this method. I want to see your scorecards on your paper that you upload for me. Okay?